The next thing to do when you're in your band is to find a place to rehearse your music. Finding a place to rehearse can be slightly difficult due to loud noise that many bands can produce. A lot of times, band members play in people's homes, garages, or basements. Here's an example of one of my bands that play in an apartment. The spacing is small, and oftentimes there's interruptions by different people coming in, but it works. If you are looking to be more professional in your rehearsal space, you can go and rent spaces. There are many places available for space rental. However, the rates do get pretty costly. Here's an example of some places for space rental. As you can see, some rooms that are smaller are pretty inexpensive with rates of $12 an hour. However, the bigger the room, the more expensive.